In today's episode, we're diving deep into groundbreaking advances that are reshaping AI applications across various domains. From enterprise AI models to disaster response systems and even film production, the impact of AI is profound and multifaceted. We'll explore several new developments that highlight how AI is being integrated into real world scenarios, offering unprecedented possibilities and challenges alike. Keep listening as we unpack these stories and what they mean for developers and engineers on the front lines of innovation. Nvidia has made a significant leap in AI technology with the launch of the Nemotron 3 Super. This groundbreaking model, boasting 120 billion parameters, is poised to revolutionize AI agent applications across critical sectors such as finance and healthcare by addressing the traditional shortcomings of existing systems. With its advanced hybrid mixture of experts, MOE architecture, the Nemotron 3 Super achieves a throughput 5 times greater than its predecessors, delivering enhanced accuracy and functionality, particularly in highly regulated environments. The Nemotron 3 Super is specifically engineered for complex multi-agent environments, fostering improvements in efficiency and regulatory compliance, which are critical priorities for enterprises today. It introduces a massive 1 million token context window, enabling the handling of extensive data processing and complex decision-making tasks more effectively and efficiently. Technically, the Nemotron 3 Super's architecture stands out with several innovative features. Hybrid mixture of experts, MOE. This architecture maximizes computational efficiency by dynamically activating 12 billion parameters from the model's full capacity, ensuring that computational resources are utilized optimally for each specific task. Vast context window. With the ability to manage a 1 million token context window, the model processes large-scale data inputs effortlessly, enhancing its applicability in scenarios that require comprehensive data analysis and informed decision-making. Integration and customization. Optimized for multi-agent scenarios, the Nemotron 3 Super integrates seamlessly with existing enterprise applications. Its open weights and permissive licensing policies encourage widespread customization and adaptation, allowing companies to tweak the model to their specific needs. The numbers illustrate the model's impressive capabilities. Throughput and accuracy. The model achieves 5 times more throughput and twice the accuracy compared to previous Nvidia models, thanks to its sophisticated processing capabilities. Trained on over 10 trillion tokens, it is one of the most extensively trained models available, contributing to its robust performance and precision. However, this advancement comes with certain trade-offs. The real-world efficacy of the Nemotron 3 Super can vary significantly across different sectors, influenced by the unique operational demands of each industry. The high computational demands necessitate advanced hardware configurations, which could impose additional costs and logistical challenges for some enterprises. Moreover, integrating such a complex system might present challenges for organizations lacking specialized technical talent. The broader socioeconomic impacts, particularly concerning labor market dynamics and the acceleration of automation, remain areas of uncertainty. To get started with the Nemotron 3 Super, you might consider the following steps this week. Explore open weights. Experiment with the model's open weights to develop customized AI solutions tailored to your organization's requirements. Test with synthetic data. Utilize synthetic data to simulate enterprise-specific scenarios to evaluate the model's performance and efficacy more directly. Consult Nvidia resources. Visit official Nvidia resources for detailed documentation and guides on implementing and integrating the model effectively into your existing systems. In summary, the Nemotron 3 Super sets a new standard for enterprise AI by balancing unparalleled speed and intelligence, opening avenues for innovative customization while redefining efficiency and capabilities in enterprise operations. Amazon's latest offering, Bedrock AgentCore, promises to redefine how AI agents are managed at scale. With its launch in October 2025, this robust platform introduces critical features like context management, policy controls, and advanced evaluation systems. These enhancements are designed to optimize AI performance in real-world applications. making AgentCore a compelling choice for enterprises aiming to integrate AI solutions efficiently without the burden of extensive infrastructure management. Key features and architecture. The modular and composable architecture of Bedrock AgentCore allows developers to customize and integrate tools based on individual needs. Some of the standout features include policy controls, utilizes natural language processing to automate compliance checks, ensuring that agents operate within predefined boundaries. This feature is particularly useful for maintaining regulatory compliance and safety across different operational scenarios. Evaluation systems. Equipped with 13 pre-built evaluation metrics, AgentCore continuously monitors AI agents for performance and safety. These metrics provide insights into agent accuracy and adherence to policies, increasing transparency and trust. Episodic memory integrates sophisticated memory functionalities to enhance decision-making processes. By incorporating episodic learning, agents can adapt and improve over time, potentially boosting their decision-making accuracy. Integration with monitoring tools seamlessly integrates with platforms like Elastic for performance monitoring, providing robust insights and troubleshooting capabilities. This ensures continuous operation without unexpected downtimes. Deployment flexibility and practical steps. Bedrock AgentCore supports deployment across various AI models, including open-source frameworks, thus providing enterprises with the flexibility to choose solutions that best fit their needs. Though specific scaling metrics aren't disclosed, the system allows deployment times to be reduced to mere minutes, as highlighted in Amazon's tutorial resources. This efficiency translates to faster iteration cycles and quicker implementation. Practical steps for engaging with AgentCore include tutorial resources. Kickstart your deployment by viewing the Deploy Any AI Agent to Production in Minutes tool. Have youtube.com/watch and N7b tutorial. In-depth understanding. Review the AgentCore documentation, //. Docs at amazon.com/prescriptive's latest Agentic AI framework /Amazon-Bedrock AgentCore.html UTM source OpenAI to uncover detailed implementation strategies. Performance monitoring. Enhance agent performance by leveraging Elastic's monitoring capabilities, ensuring a seamless operational flow. Challenges and outlook. While Bedrock AgentCore presents a promising step forward, it also faces challenges. Long-term reliability in diverse environments remains unproven, and the integration with existing enterprise systems requires thorough exploration. Furthermore, the efficacy of the policy and memory enhancements in complex decision-making tasks is still under evaluation. Despite these uncertainties, Bedrock AgentCore is poised to set new benchmarks in AI agent management, balancing security with flexibility. Its comprehensive evaluation features and modular approach could potentially transform enterprise AI deployments, leading to broader adoption across sectors. Google is leveraging its Gemini model to launch Groundsource, a novel effort to convert unstructured news reports into structured data focused on urban flash floods. This innovative approach tackles data scarcity in climate forecasting, significantly enhancing emergency response capabilities. How Groundsource works. Groundsource operates by extracting relevant flood-related data from news reports, transforming them into actionable insights for flood forecasting systems. Key components include machine learning automation. Groundsource uses sophisticated machine learning algorithms to parse and categorize information. This involves natural language processing, NLP, techniques to understand context and filter relevant details from general media text. Geospatial reasoning. The Gemini model provides advanced geospatial reasoning, enabling high accuracy and precision in flood predictions. With its ability to handle complex spatial data, Gemini enhances predictive modeling and ensures that forecasts are localized and context-specific. Data integration. Information processed by Groundsource is integrated into existing systems like Google's Flood Hub, enhancing analytics with a seamless pipeline that converts media input into usable data streams for flood advising systems. Impact and reach. Google's flood forecasting, empowered by Groundsource, can now issue alerts up to 7 days in advance. This increased lead time is vital for timely community preparedness, potentially safeguarding over 700 million people across 100 countries. A significant expansion from its initial operations. Challenges and limitations. Despite its potential, Groundsource faces challenges in reliably integrating with existing flood forecasting infrastructure. The transformation from unstructured to structured data is susceptible to quality issues, such as biases and inaccuracies stemming from inconsistent media reporting standards. Furthermore, as dependencies on news increase, there's a risk of misinterpretation due to varied regional reporting styles and standards. Practical steps to engage interested parties can: explore Google's www.cities.google/floodhub UTM source OpenAI for detailed flood forecast updates and real-time analytics. Experiment with Gemini via Google's developer resources and APIs, allowing deeper insights into its application within urban flood contexts. Monitor updates on Google's Earth AI for advances in disaster response technology. Blog.technology research/new updates and more access to Google Earth AI UTM source OpenAI. Future prospects. Summarized, Groundsource is poised to drastically enhance how urban flood data is synthesized and utilized. If successful, it could set a new standard in environmental disaster preparedness, offering a blueprint for leveraging news data in other environmental crises. It also encourages a shift towards AI-driven decisions in emergency management, potentially influencing future policies and technologies in disaster response and urban resilience planning. Google's latest innovation in flood forecasting offers critical insights into urban flash floods, projecting them up to 7 days in advance. This enhanced capability is part of Google's Flood Hub, which aims to cover a population of 700 million across 100 countries, addressing the urgent need for reliable early warning systems. The new AI-driven model integrates complex datasets to enhance predictive accuracy. It draws from multiple sources such as weather forecasts, satellite imagery, and historical flood data. By leveraging machine learning algorithms, these models adapt and learn over time, refining their predictions based on regional specificity and historical patterns. This data is extensively processed to give emergency planners, city officials, and researchers real-time access through APIs, ensuring that the information is not only accurate, but also accessible where it matters most. Significant advancements have seen the Flood Hub evolve from 5-day to 7-day forecasting capabilities. This extended forecast period is crucial for urban planning and emergency response services, facilitating better preparedness and strategic response measures. Planners can make informed decisions on resource allocation, community awareness campaigns, and infrastructure adaptations to mitigate potential impacts. However, the model's utility does not come without challenges. Flash floods, characterized by their rapid onset and localized impact, pose significant prediction difficulties. Ensuring consistent data quality remains a critical task, especially in under-resourced and remote regions where data infrastructure may be lacking. The reliability of forecasts in these areas is still an open question, with continuous improvements and recalibrations necessary to optimize performance. Here's what you can do to engage with this technology. Visit floodhub/cities.google/floodhub-source-OpenAI to explore region-specific forecasts and gain insights into potential flood events in your area. Researchers can take advantage of the Google Runoff Reanalysis and Reforecast dataset for in-depth studies of flood patterns and predictions. Local emergency systems can integrate API access to incorporate real-time updates into strategic planning tools, ensuring swift responses to emerging threats. The big picture? Google's AI-powered flood forecasts could transform urban safety protocols, marking a significant stride in data-driven disaster management. By embracing this technology, cities can reduce the adverse effects of floods, safeguard lives, and preserve infrastructure, paving the way for smarter, more resilient urban environments. Forrester has unveiled Izola, a generative AI tool crafted to transform client engagement and streamline decision-making processes. Launched on October 18, 2023, Izola is specifically designed to synthesize Forrester's extensive research into clear, actionable insights delivered via a straightforward chat interface. This innovation stands as a significant shift in how AI is leveraged within the research consultancy landscape, underscoring Forrester's leadership in this space. One of Izola's key technical attributes is its integration with Forrester's robust databases. utilizing advanced generative AI techniques to process and synthesize complex data. This integration is achieved through natural language processing, NLP, which enables nuanced and contextually relevant dialogue with users. The chat-based interface not only facilitates real-time interactions, but also enhances the clarity and accessibility of insights, effectively streamlining how clients can distill information on intricate topics. Izola is initially accessible to a select group within Forrester's Decisions and Market Insights clients, with plans to expand access further, reflecting the scalability of its AI-driven capabilities. Early user feedback indicates that clients are experiencing increased productivity and a noticeable acceleration in deriving insights, thus supporting more informed decision-making processes. This aligns with broader market trends where AI-driven synthesis tools are rapidly gaining traction, with the generative AI sector expected to grow by 36% annually through 2030. However, the deployment of Izola is not without challenges. Key concerns include varying adoption effectiveness across different industries, potential data privacy issues, and the ongoing debate surrounding the effectiveness of AI-generated insights in comparison to those developed through traditional research methods. Addressing these concerns requires careful integration and monitoring to ensure the tool's reliability and trustworthiness. For clients interested in exploring Izola further, practical steps include visiting Forrester's website for detailed information and requesting early access if eligible. Participating in webinars and demonstrations can provide valuable insights into the tool's full capabilities. Utilizing the chat interface for initial inquiries and research queries can offer a practical taste of how Izola functions in real-world scenarios. In essence, Forrester's Izola exemplifies a pivotal advancement in research delivery, combining efficiency with the depth of information extraction. By bridging state-of-the-art AI technologies with comprehensive research expertise, Forrester is not only enhancing client decision-making capabilities, but also setting new standards for the future of research consultancy services. As industries continue to evolve, tools like Izola have the potential to redefine strategic planning and advisory roles, positioning AI as a critical component in the transformation of business insights. LangChain introduces a pivotal update in AI model handling with its Deep Agents SDK, incorporating a novel 3-layer context compression mechanism. This innovation is key to optimizing data management during long-running AI tasks, addressing the common issue of excessive information loads that can overwhelm traditional AI systems. The 3-layer context compression system integrates at core AI functionalities by effectively managing the delicate balance between memory usage and performance. This is particularly vital for applications requiring sustained engagement, such as complex debugging, coding tasks, and extensive research projects. Here's how it works. 1. File system offloading. Outputs exceeding 20,000 tokens are stored externally, with a brief 10-line preview maintained in active memory. This strategy not only reduces the memory burden on the model, but also ensures that data remains accessible for future reference, preserving the full log history without congestion. 2. Context truncation. When the context usage reaches approximately 85% of its capacity, the AI initiates a truncation process for older inputs, which are then preserved in an external storage system. This step is crucial for preventing memory overloads and maintaining the model's operational efficiency. 3. Structured summarization. As an additional safeguard, structured in-context summarization is used when further memory space is needed, allowing the AI to maintain high levels of accuracy and performance even in extended interactions. These features underscore LangChain's commitment to enhancing AI capabilities, particularly regarding data retention and processing. Reports indicate varying degrees of effectiveness based on the specific application, so ongoing testing and adaptation will be important. Developer engagement. For developers interested in leveraging this technology, practical steps include consulting the comprehensive Deep Agents SDK documentation available on LangChain's blog. Developers can also execute sample commands to experience the real-world impact of these compression strategies firsthand. Further, GitHub is a valuable resource for accessing sample projects and community contributions, which can provide insights into practical implementations and real-time usage scenarios. Trade-offs and uncertainties. While promising, this approach introduces potential trade-offs concerning compression and model performance, impacting response times and accuracy. The speed at which real-time data can be processed remains an open question, as current evaluations are primarily focused on batch processing scenarios. Moreover, some uncertainties persist regarding the mechanism's competitiveness against rival frameworks like PACE and InfyAgent, and the potential for data loss during the compression process must be carefully managed. In conclusion, LangChain's context compression strategy reflects a significant advancement in AI memory management, promising improved reliability and efficiency in handling ongoing data flux within AI applications. As this technology continues to evolve, it could set a new standard for AI memory optimization, potentially influencing future developments across the field and driving further innovations in memory management within AI frameworks. The push toward operationalizing agentic AI suggests that organizations must fundamentally rethink their structures and workflows to effectively leverage AI technologies. Merely implementing technology is insufficient. Businesses must integrate AI at a foundational level by treating AI systems as collaborative teammates. This shift is not just a technical adjustment, but a cultural and functional transformation. Key components necessary for successfully operationalizing agentic AI include creating robust governance protocols. These protocols should involve control layers featuring arbiter agents that oversee AI operations and ensure compliance with organizational and ethical standards. Such measures are critical in supervising AI decision-making processes and offering human escalation procedures when needed. A core aspect of this integration is the evolution of workforce roles. It is projected that 75% of roles will necessitate a new skill mix that combines technological aptitude with socio-emotional skills. This adaptation is vital for employees to effectively interact and collaborate with AI entities. Therefore, organizations must invest in comprehensive training programs to equip their workforce with these multidisciplinary skills. Furthermore, the formation of cross-functional teams is crucial. These teams are designed to break down silos between departments, facilitating smoother and more effective AI integration across various business functions. This integrated approach enhances the quality of decision-making, leveraging AI insights for rapid, outcome-based processes. Although the potential for substantial productivity and efficiency gains is evident, several challenges persist. A significant hurdle is the lack of well-defined success metrics for AI integration, making it difficult to gauge effectiveness and value accurately. Long-term effects on roles and job structures are also yet to be fully understood, raising concerns about workforce stability and adaptation. Ethical considerations are at the forefront of agentic AI deployment. Implementing comprehensive governance frameworks, organizations can ensure that AI usage aligns with ethical standards and organizational values. Continuous evaluation and adjustment of these mechanisms will be necessary to keep pace with rapidly advancing AI capabilities and regulatory demands. For organizations seeking to embark on this transformative journey, practical steps include engaging with AWS's prescriptive guidance. /docs.amazon.com, prescriptive guidance /strategy operationalizing agentic AI, preparing business.html, source OpenA, which outlines strategies for AI readiness. Additionally, insights from McKinsey's comprehensive study on organizational shifts to support agentic AI adoption can be reviewed here. /wmkinsey.com /capabilities, people and organizational /our insights, the organization blog, 6 shifts to build the agentic organization of the future. Source OpenA. For a deeper educational perspective, MIT's course on Applied Agentic AI offers a foundational understanding of its organizational implications. MIT Professional Education. Professional.mit.edu /press releases /Utopai Professional launches new course, Applied Agentic AI. The overall takeaway is clear. Embracing agentic AI calls for a profound organizational overhaul. By fostering an environment that prioritizes AI integration across every facet of operation, companies can drive innovation, reshape business models, and enhance overall productivity, paving the way for the future of work. Utopai Studios has unveiled PAI, an innovative cinematic storytelling engine that promises to revolutionize the film industry by transforming written screenplays into fully realized films through AI technology. This groundbreaking tool aims to democratize filmmaking, providing creators lacking traditional resources the ability to produce high-quality films, effectively reshaping the dynamics of the industry. Pi operates using a sophisticated, structured workflow that automates various aspects of film production. The process involves machine learning algorithms that analyze screenplay content to generate consistent and cinematic characters and shots. This automation involves creating believable personas from textual descriptions and crafting visually compelling scenes based on narrative context. By employing application programming interfaces, APIs, PAI allows seamless integration with existing film production software, ensuring smoother workflows and enabling filmmakers to customize outputs to suit their artistic vision. Since its rebranding from Cyberver, Utopai Studios has shown significant growth, reaching a noteworthy revenue milestone of $110 million. Their ongoing projects, such as the feature film Cortez and the sci-fi series Project Space, are testament to Utopai's commitment to innovation in AI-powered content creation. These projects benefit from PI's potential to drastically reduce production costs and time, although exact metrics remain unspecified, offering a glimpse into the efficiency AI can bring to filmmaking. However, the integration of AI in film production brings with it certain challenges and controversies. There is ongoing debate about AI's impact on traditional filmmaking roles and potential limitations on creative expression. Critics argue that automated processes might lead to formulaic content, potentially limiting the diversity and nuance usually brought about by human creativity. Moreover, the effectiveness of PAI across different genres remains under evaluation, presenting uncertainties about the tool's versatility and ability to resonate with diverse audiences. For those interested in exploring Pi, Utopai Studios offers several ways to engage with the new tool. Visit the Utopai Studios website to learn more about Pi's features and capabilities. Here, utopaistudios.com, UTEM source, OpenAI. Check out official announcements and detailed demonstrations to better understand how Pi can revolutionize storytelling in your projects. In conclusion, Pi represents a potential leap forward in film production, promising to balance accessibility with innovative storytelling. As the film industry continues to adapt to technological advancements, tools like PAI could redefine traditional filmmaking processes, opening new avenues for creative expression while challenging existing industry norms. As we wrap up today's episode, it's clear that AI is reshaping everything from enterprise solutions to creative industries. These technological leaps invite both opportunities and challenges, urging us to adapt and innovate continuously. Join us next time as we delve deeper into the evolving landscape of AI and its global implications. Thanks for tuning in to Daily AI Brief, where we bring the forefront of AI to you.